Okay, I was recently working at a hotel, and an incident happened there, and they called me into the office and asked me questions, and I gave them the information they want. And a few weeks later, I was terminated for no reason. I asked them the reason why I was terminated, and they didn't tell me or anything. And I called. I ended up applying for unemployment, and I was penalized, but unemployment didn't even tell me the reason why I was terminated.
Okay, so you want to know, does that sound right to you?
Well, were you able to get your unemployment benefits?
I was penalized for 3 months, but eventually I was able to get them.
Okay. And are you still within your 180 days?
It happened in April.
Okay. So you're probably too late to do anything about it, but what you should have done was ask for the reason. If they didn't give you a reason, then you needed to go to the EEOC. You could have, a case under Section 1981, which deals with race discrimination claims. I would encourage you to, call someone and get another opinion on that. That is a red flag. If you ask for a reason why you are being terminated, and your employer says, I don't have to give you a reason, or no reason whatsoever, I mean, you're due a reason if you ask why you're being terminated.
Alicia, real quick, we've talked about, and we know that Alabama is an employment at will state.
Right.
Explain to our viewers what that means. What does it mean to be an employer at will state, or employment at will state?
Right. Unfortunately, Alabama is just one of those states that, if your boss wants to walk in today and fire you because you have a blue shirt on, they can do that. However, if they only fire the women who have blue shirts and not the men who fire blue shirts, then that can be gender discrimination. The law has to, or whatever the reason they're terminating you, has to be consistent across the board.
And at the same time, if I'm an employee, I can walk in, tell my boss, thanks, but no thanks,
Exactly.
see ya, and there's no obligation that I owe the employer. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
So it goes both ways, I suppose.
Both ways. Okay.